Attraction isn't just about looks, money, or status. It's about connection. While many men focus on external factors, the real key to sparking attraction lies in communication. The right words can create an instant bond, build intrigue, and make you stand out from the crowd. Surprisingly, just 3 simple words have the power to shift the way women perceive you. The way you speak and carry yourself reflects confidence, emotional intelligence, and authenticity, all of which are highly attractive traits. When used correctly, these 3 words tap into a woman's emotions, making her feel heard, valued, and understood. And unlike tired pickup lines or rehearsed compliments, they work because they create a natural and effortless connection. But what are these 3 magic words? They're not the cliché "I love you" or "you're so beautiful." In fact, they have nothing to do with flattery at all. Instead, they are words that show genuine curiosity, engagement, and presence in a conversation. When you use them, you unlock a deeper level of communication that leaves a lasting impression. If you're ready to take your conversations to the next level and effortlessly attract the women you desire, it's time to learn how to use these 3 words effectively. In the next sections, we'll break down why they work, how to use them in real-life situations, and the science behind their impact. Get ready to change the way you approach attraction forever. Main point me now. Let's get to the main point. These 3 simple yet powerful words, "you and me," can transform the dynamic between you and any woman. They may sound basic or even obvious, but trust me, when used the right way, these words have an impact beyond what you can imagine. Why? Because they communicate 3 key things. You know what you want. You're committed to what you say. You're not afraid to take the lead. These are qualities every woman admires in a man, even if she doesn't openly admit it. What's even more fascinating is that these words work in various contexts, from casual flirting to more serious relationships. The 4 pillars of you and me. The phrase "you and me" represents 4 fundamental pillars that every woman desires in a man interest. Saying "you and me" clearly shows genuine an interest in her without coming across as desperate or needy respect. These words also reflect respect for her feelings and demonstrate that you value her attention. Attraction. They communicate confidence, which is one of the most attractive qualities a man can have. Initiative. Finally, "you and me" reveals that you know how to lead and make decisions, qualities that inspire admiration and trust. These pillars are essential for building a genuine connection and naturally attracting women. How to use "you and me" in practice. Now that you understand the power of these words, let's explore how to apply them in different situations for maximum impact. The key is to use "you and me" naturally without sounding application rehearsed, starting a conversation. If you're meeting a woman for the first time, you can use "you and me" to confidence and directly initiate a conversation instead of asking generic questions or making random comments. Say something like, "You and me should get to know each other better. You and me can talk about this later." This approach immediately shows interest and removes any uncertainty about your intentions. Plus, it creates a sense of curiosity, making her want to learn more about you, asking her out when it's time to invite her on a date. Avoid vague phrases like, "If you want, we can go out sometime" instead. Be clear and assertive. "You and me are going out Saturday night." This subtle shift exudes confidence and sets a positive expectation. She'll see that you know what you want and have the initiative to make it happen. In a more advanced relationship, even in established relationships, "you and me" remains a powerful tool. Instead of leaving all decisions up to her, use these words to take an active role and show that you value the connection between the 2 of you. By incorporating "you and me" naturally into your interactions, you'll communicate interest, respect, attraction, and initiative qualities that make a lasting impression and foster genuine attraction. For instance, saying something like, "You and I are going to plan something special this weekend," reinforces commitment and demonstrates that you're genuinely invested in the relationship. What sets a simple phrase apart from a truly powerful one is how it's delivered when using "you and I." It's crucial to ensure your tone is confident but not arrogant, natural but not careless. Making eye contact while saying these words is equally important. It conveys sincerity and creates an immediate connection. Remember, words, delivery themselves hold power, but it's the energy behind them that truly makes the difference. Here's an important note. Never use these words to manipulate or deceive. The goal is to build a genuine relationship founded on mutual respect and interest. Using "you and I" dishonestly can backfire, destroying any chance of a meaningful connection. Why these words work so well: the power of "you and I" lies in their simplicity and clarity. They create an instant sense of intimacy, as if you and the other person are already a team. Moreover, these words eliminate doubts or insecurities about your intentions, making it clear that you know what you want. Women are naturally drawn to men who exude confidence and clarity in their actions. By saying "you and I," you're showing that you're ready to forge a connection and share meaningful experiences. Now that you understand the power of "you and I," it's time to put it into action. Here's a challenge. Use these words in 3 different scenarios throughout your day. And remember, they don't have to be used exclusively in romantic contexts with a coworker. You and I can solve this together with a friend. You and I need to hang out more often with someone you're interested in. You and I should meet up for coffee. Pay attention to how people respond. Most will be more receptive and interested in engaging with you over time. These words will naturally become a part of your vocabulary, and you'll notice significant changes in how others perceive you. The transformation begins with you. We've reached the end of this video, but the real transformation begins when you choose to apply what you've learned. You and I are more than just words. They represent an attitude, a calm commitment to clarity, confidence and authenticity. In the coming days, practice using these words intentionally. Take note of your experiences and observe the results. I'm confident you'll see how this simple yet powerful approach can profoundly impact your interactions, especially with women. And of course, if you enjoyed this content and want to continue learning how to boost your confidence, improve your social skills, and attract the right people into your life. Attracting women isn't about trying too hard, using pickup lines, or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about genuine connection, confidence, and the power of communication. The 3 simple words we've discussed aren't magic, but they create a shift in how you engage with women, making them feel heard, understood, and intrigued by you. By using these words effectively, you tap into something deeper than surface-level attraction. You show emotional intelligence, curiosity, and presence, which are far more appealing than any flashy gestures. Women are naturally drawn to men who make them feel comfortable and valued, and these 3 words help you do exactly that. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Philosophy of Stoicism for more real, relatable advice on navigating the complexities of love and relationships. Remember, relationships take time, care, and effort, but the rewards are worth it. When fear and caution are met with understanding and patience, they transform into trust and connection. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.